Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.